Here's a quick car video for you. Oh, if you ever get a rattling noise, not just on an Explorer, but basically any car with like a heat shield like this, it's got these big holes, like vent holes. Sometimes rocks will kick up and go into here, like this one here. So occasionally when the engine's warmed up and it gets to a certain RPM, that'll rattle, and you'll be going through a drive-thru or something, and you'll be wondering why your car sounds like a piece of shit. And now you want to know how to get this fucker out. Kitty kitty. Okay, first thing you want to do, because you're working on your car, you want to get a drink. I prefer Pepsi or Coke, or Mountain Dew works, but usually Mountain Dew is like for gaming. Let's see your weapons of choice. Screwdrivers to make the hole wider. Giggity. And Bob's your uncle. No more rattling noise. So in our upcoming video, we're going to change the passenger side wheel bearing. It's kind of hard to tell when it's on the ground. But when you pick her up, the wheel is going to have play no matter which direction that you pull on it. If your wheel bearing's gone, if it just has play going this way, then you need a new inner tie rod or outer tie rod in. But for my case, we need a new wheel bearing. And while you got her up in the air, check all your other wheel bearings. In this case, this is the only bad one. Kind of makes sense since it did eat a curb a while ago.
Damn!
Yeah, looks like it's affected the camber a bit. At least it's about equal with this one here. So, yeah, that's it.